Octopus sashimi, a refined dish deeply rooted in Japanese culture, has traveled an intriguing journey from the ocean depths to dining tables, leaving an unforgettable impression on those who savor it. Let's explore the history, preparation techniques, and art of enjoying this unique dish. Octopus sashimi emerged during Japan's Edo period, 1603 to 1868, a time when Japanese culinary culture flourished. During this period, the Japanese learned to catch and prepare fresh octopus. Known for its high nutritional value and distinctive flavor, octopus became highly regarded. Thinly sliced octopus dipped in soy sauce and wasabi became a popular dish in Japanese households, showcasing the elegance of Japanese culinary artistry. As Japanese society progressed, octopus sashimi became more widely enjoyed. Starting from small coastal eateries, this dish gradually made its way into fine dining establishments, becoming a staple in Japanese cuisine. Preparing octopus sashimi requires finesse and skill from the chef. Fresh octopus, caught from the cold waters surrounding Japan, is renowned for its freshness and firm texture. After cleaning, the octopus is meticulously handled to preserve its unique flavor and texture. The chef uses a specialized knife to slice the octopus into thin, visually appealing pieces with a thickness that enhances its chewy texture. These slices are crafted into various shapes, adding to the dish's beauty and appeal. Octopus sashimi is traditionally enjoyed by dipping it into soy sauce with a hint of wasabi, then savoring it slowly to appreciate the sweet, chewy taste and the hint of ocean saltiness. To enhance the flavor experience, people often pair octopus sashimi with pickled ginger, garried to cleanse the palate between bites. Sake, a traditional Japanese rice wine, is also an ideal beverage to accompany octopus sashimi. Octopus sashimi is not only a delicious dish, but also a reflection of Japanese culinary culture. This dish embodies the essence of wabi-sabi, the beauty found in simplicity and imperfection. Thinly sliced octopus, carefully prepared, exudes elegance and purity, symbolizing the Japanese respect for nature and traditional culinary techniques. From a simple dish, octopus sashimi has become an integral part of Japanese culinary culture, offering a unique flavor and memorable experience for international visitors. At a seafood processing workshop along the coast, workers tirelessly handle fish from the deep sea every day. Among them, the sight of a strong worker skillfully handling 130-kilogram tuna is truly remarkable. The large tuna is carefully placed on a workbench to ensure stability for easier handling. The workers here are accustomed to processing such giant tuna. Rather than using large knives, they use small, sharp, and precise blades for better control over each cut. With steady, precise motions, the worker cuts deep into the tuna's body, leaving long slashes that follow the fish's natural contours. Each incision is both accurate and meticulous, not only to harvest the meat, but also to ensure the flesh remains unharmed. After flipping the fish, the worker continues cutting skillfully, a process that only experienced hands can perform so confidently. After a few expert strokes, the head of the tuna is removed. This is the first and critical step, as removing the head facilitates the subsequent butchering. Other workers nearby assist and prepare for the next steps, as each portion of meat is gradually separated from the bone. Workers on the outside receive the prepared tuna cuts and continue with further processing. They carefully sort, inspect, and preserve the meat for the next stages of production. The worker uses a hose to spray away any residue on the tuna's skin, ensuring that nothing contaminates the meat about to be cut. This careful cleaning step is crucial to maintaining the cleanliness and quality of each cut of fish. With the next few cuts, the butcher completes the butchering process. Now only the bones of the tuna remain, showcasing the worker's precision, skill, and experience gained over many years. The task of butchering tuna may seem simple, but it demands meticulousness, patience, and high skill. The workers in this workshop are not merely laborers, they are artisans, honing their craft with each precise cut. In Hermasa's modern processing facility, if tuna arrives frozen from distant fishing grounds, the first step is thawing. This is essential to ensure the fish retains its freshness before further processing. The tuna is thawed in large water tanks with carefully controlled temperatures to maintain the fish's structural integrity. Next, the tuna is transferred to the steaming process. Here, racks filled with tuna are placed in industrial steamers. The high-temperature steam thoroughly cooks the fish, preserving the natural sweetness and flavor of the tuna. After steaming, the tuna is cooled. Hermasa utilizes a misting system to cool the fish quickly and evenly. This step is crucial to maintain the soft texture without drying out or losing flavor. The next step involves skinning and deboning, where the tuna meat is entirely cleaned. The fish is formed into loin cuts, the most desirable part of the tuna, preparing it for canning. Once deboned, the tuna is cut into smaller pieces and precisely weighed to ensure the correct amount in each can. This step guarantees consistent quality and uniformity across the product. Next, each can is filled with either oil or brine to add flavor and preserve the product. This important step helps retain freshness and enhances the unique taste of Hermasa's tuna. After adding oil or brine, the tuna cans are automatically sealed. Hermasa's advanced sealing system ensures each can is airtight, preventing air from entering and thus prolonging the tuna's shelf life. When the cans are sealed, they undergo a sterilization process. Industrial sterilizers eliminate harmful bacteria, ensuring the product is completely safe for consumers. Finally, after sterilization, the cans are drained, labeled, and carefully boxed. The finished product is then prepared to be delivered to consumers around the world. Conclusion: the tuna processing workflow at Hermasa is not only state-of-the-art, but also meets international standards. With each step carried out meticulously and under strict regulations, Hermasa delivers high-quality, safe, and nutritious canned tuna products. This is a trustworthy and transparent production process you can rely on.